All right, here it is nighttime. You can hardly see the keys. Kind of let you guys try to take a look at the lights and whatnot. We'll go inside, show you all the ambient lighting. It's pretty awesome. This is my wife's vehicle, so it's pretty tight for me on her settings. Check it out. Just trying to let you guys have a look. All the vents light up. Let's try the settings. As you can see, it door lights, lights everywhere. There we go. Now we can go to the color, touch it, change it. Let's go purple. You can see it goes to purple. Turn the music down. So there's purple. Take our finger. Let's go back to blue. Look at that. Looks pretty wicked. And in the back, it lights up in the doors. Vents light up. I just thought I'd show you guys this at night. Thanks for watching DNS Projects. Set this back to what? Oh, let's just leave it there. It looked pretty cool. If you wouldn't mind going down to that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. There it is from the outside looking in. Looks pretty cool. Headlights nice and bright. That's almost better than sitting in there. Right on. Hope you guys enjoyed.